All right, I just want to make this video to help out people that's got this noise coming from their dashboard. It's a 2018 Ford Explorer. This noise, now it happens mostly when you're going over 50, 45, 50, and it sounds like it's coming from the dashboard up here. And I was like, man, I hope I don't have to tear this dashboard apart to get to this noise. I can't figure out what it is. I watched the video, and the guy was saying it might be this fan here. He took it apart, and that was it. So I took this all out, took the fan out, drove down the road. The noise was still there. I watched some more videos. I came across a video, and it was a great video. The guy showed you what the problem was and everything, but I came up with a different solution than he did, a cheaper solution. The solution he came up with, it's fine. You know, you just got to spend a little bit more money, and you got to do a little bit more work. And I might do that later on, but right now I just did a quick fix, which so far has worked great. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you. I already made the fix, but I'm going to show you what the problem is. It's actually the windshield cowl. And let me show you what that is if you don't know. I didn't know. So let's go ahead and pop this hood and see what we got over here. All right. It's a 2018 Ford Explorer, but this works for, I guess, any Explorer that's got a cowl like this. Because I was looking at my wife's cowl. She's got an Edge, a 2019 Edge, and the cowl is completely different. But this here is the cowl. This thing right here. And what you got is to fix it, I'll link the video because the guy does a good job. You take these windshield wipers off, take all these things off here, and you just replace the cowl, basically. Okay. Well, here's the problem up here. And I've already fixed it. I'll go ahead and just tell you, I've already fixed it. I put some weather strip on there. And what happens is this part down underneath it, it gets all brittle and loose, and the wind blows it. The wind blows on that strip, and it makes a terrible noise. It's really loud and irritating, and it's almost unbearable. And so what he did was he replaced this whole cowl, and I got the part in my Amazon cart. It's $100, and see how that's loose? I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's loose up here. I mean, the rest of the cowl's fine, but this part up here is real loose. I've already put the tape on there, the weather stripping on there, but that works great. And the weather stripping was like $13, and I didn't have to take the wipers off, which is it's not too bad, but it is, you know, a pain. You got to take the cover off, and then you got to wrench this thing off, get it off, and sometimes it's difficult to get off there. In the future, I might replace it, but if you put this weather stripping tape on there, that fixes the problem. It's great. And the next problem is going to be these A-frame things, but right now they're holding up pretty good, but those will also get loose and get brittle and start cracking, and the wind will blow on them and make noise. But right now, this is the only problem I've had, and I think this tape is going to last for a while. And you know, if it deteriorates, I'll just pull it off there, scrape it off there, and put another one on there. Because I mean, that's easy fix, and it looks pretty clean. You know, not really that noticeable. If you want like the factory finish look and a clean look, yeah, just go get you one of these cowls. And I'm going to link the video. The guy shows you exactly how to do it. It fits the 2011 to 2019 models of the Explorer. And it's not that bad of a job to do. But like I said, just putting that tape on there took me 5 minutes. I put that sucker on there, and now I have no noise. It's great. So I hope this helps somebody out. And like, subscribe, share, and we appreciate you. Have a good one.